What is this, James? It looks like it doesn't look like it's a projectile.
Yeah, it's like a little bullet. I think this was a hand-me-down from yourself, Dom.
Oh
actually.
God, it was.
I think.
Yeah. Do you know why I passed this on? Because you just used to scare the life out of me when I fly it.
I'm not surprised. I give it about a 30-second lifespan before it ends up as a bag of bits in the buried halfway down.
Am I going to have to hand launch this? We're only 2 of us here.
I'll be alright. I'll give it a chuck.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you
it's
sure?
empty. Yeah, it'll be fine. It's empty here, so there's no dog walking.
No, I think this is even more high risk.
There.
This could be a very short video. I literally do not know who makes this. So if anybody out there knows who makes this little pylon racer, let us know. Do you know what you've got in it?
It was your Hacker. I think it was a Hacker motor, or no, I forget what.
Het.
The Het, that was it. Yeah.
Het 3W20 or something like that. I think.
Yeah, and then
little
I put
hot motor.
in something like an 80 amp ESC. Checked the draw, and it was only drawing like 20 amps. It can't get up to full whack. The motor oscillates, but it doesn't matter. Up to like a quarter throttle, it terrifies me anyway.
And what's the pack that you've got in it?
A 3S 1300, like 70C pack.
Doesn't sound a lot, but it's
it's plenty.
Just do a full power. All right.
That's plenty.
Oh my God!
So one last look.
You're going to
one last look at this.
It looks nice at the moment.
Oh my goodness.
Are you really sure about hand launching it? Yeah. I could hold the camera.
It's okay. We'll chuck it out over the grass.
You're taking your. The thing is, look. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I really don't want you to break this. If I can hold the camera and just launch it, but you need to keep your fingers on the sticks.
Okay. Do you want
to? Otherwise, you're going to bin it. Hold on. Hold on. So, I might not capture the launch, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Here it is. You ready? Wow. That's a relief. I've lost it. There it is. So don't fly it full throttle yet.
No, it doesn't want to turn right for some reason.
It just likes turning left. Well, it is a pylon racer.
It loves turning.
Maybe that's the way I built it.
Oh, you built it, did you? Now you tell me. If I'd known you built it.
Well, I wouldn't say built it, I put some servos in it. You getting there?
Basically, that's throttle off and it's still doing 100 miles an hour.
You trimming?
Trying to. That's one click of throttle. And it's a... 2 clicks.
You're scaring me flying behind us. Yeah, but have you got it trimmed for level flight? That's what I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right. Oh, God.
Now.
Right, don't fly behind us, please. You're making me nervous. I'm not bothering to use zoom. I don't know if I'm actually capturing you. Okay, how much throttle's that now?
Off.
Right, give it the beans on the... Don't go behind us, please.
Beans.
Okay.
Ready for beans? Beans.
Oh God. Yeah, that is quick.
Beans.
You're doing it after you've actually passed. Do it now. Full power.
Scaring me. Can we land it?
Yeah, you're going to have to go the long way around. Let it glide.
Beans.
Oh, shut up, beans.
How the hell am I going to get this down, Dom?
Well, let it glide. From a long, long way out. Oh! Beautiful landing!
That's what I actually was planning on doing that.
Any damage?
Unfortunately not. There's no excuse now not to fly it again.
Prop, okay.
That was really good fun actually.
Prop, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You sure? Oh my god, it will fly again.
It will fly
I'm
again.
worried now.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
All right. Well, I'm super. I'm really glad that you got it trimmed out nice.
Yeah. So it's your go next.
No, I've got to go home now. Yeah, I'll give it a go and you can film next time.
Yeah, yeah.
Right,
Okay.
part 2 of this video will be Dom trashing it. Okay.
Burying
Cheers,
it in the
James. That
ground.
was a lot of fun.
Cheers, mate.
There's nothing more better than watching someone terrified of flying a model.
Oh, beans.
Beans. So James,
Part 2.
James has persuaded me to stay to have a little go with the pylon racer that apparently I used to own, but I can't remember it. This must have been in another lifetime. So James, if you put the camera in your left hand on holding it on the top, and you're going to have to hand launch this for me,
And then-
because I'm sure as hell not going to hand launch it myself. So apologies viewers.
It's a hairy little bugger, isn't it?
I wouldn't use zoom.
I'm not. I'm pointing it in the vaguely right direction.
What you can do is models like, and boom. Does make a nice noise as it cuts through the air. I think we might be getting low on battery now.
Hopefully you can do a better landing than me and we can edit that one in.
Landing. Zero throttle. No throttle. No throttle. And it's still going to glide by. Yay! I literally didn't use any throttle from all the way over there. Fantastic. So, you know what, it does get the adrenaline flowing, doesn't
It really does, yeah.
But I was having to hold in down trim on the full throttle passes, so looking at the that, I've got to sort that out. So I've used all your down trim, and it's still at neutral.
Yeah.
So it's still slightly up actually.
Yeah.
So
you just need to change it on the servo.
Yeah. So brilliant. Thanks very much for letting me have a go. That was
Yeah,
a lot
no
of
worries,
fun.
mate. That was great fun. Ready for beans? Beans.
Oh God. Yeah, that is quick. Does make a nice noise as it cuts through the air.